Okay, so if you're not sure how to actually design, how to create, how to actually come up with a concept, in this channel and in the videos that I'll be showing you how to actually develop a design and how to illustrate. I've been using mostly Adobe Illustrator, so that's what you'll be learning in the most current videos. If there are any suggestions or questions that you do have, do feel free to just let me know in the comments below, and I'd super love to hear your feedback and history about art. So I don't really necessarily game, but I feel like ever since I started illustrating and doing design, I appreciate so much the graphics in games, like especially the advanced ones, like with all the action and all that, like all this special effects stuff. I don't know but all that stuff, like I really appreciate it, because the amount of work, the amount of design that goes into it is insane. And obviously there's design game artists that do that, that design the characters, and I just think like now in 2020 it's just evolved, like the whole gaming industry has evolved, and it's so much more popular, so I really get why it's how it is today. But yeah, I just felt like, you know, the only game that I really know is Pac-Man, Overcooked, Snake, and the microphone. I don't know, I don't really game, but I appreciate visuals of games, I really do. I do have one thing though, I really feel like if the design industry made like a tool with a gaming pad, I think that would be game over, because there's a lot of gamers out there who do design, so yeah, that would be game over in the industry. Just a thought. But yeah, I just thought I'd put this out there. But here's the rest of the illustration. like to know more about design or keep up to date with my channel, I post every single week. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified every single week when, and yeah, there you'll be given the design. feedback on my retro icon illustration is I'm pretty much happy with it. I'm happy with how it came out. It's exactly how I planned it to come out. I like the color palette that I used. It has purple in there. Love purple. And yeah, it's pretty simple. It's cool. I really love the fact that I used the black outlines. You know, Adobe Illustrator is really good when it comes to just developing outlines. It just does it all for you, to be fair, once you know what you're doing. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I don't really have any negatives. I guess the only negative could be is, nah, I don't have a negative. I genuinely enjoyed it. And I liked it. I like how it came out. If there was anything that you felt like I should have done, you felt like that I could have done better, please let me know. I would love to know, because I love to receive feedback, always love to improve my skills. If there was another kind of gaming retro icon that you would have liked me to do let me know in the comments below. And yeah, there was a different design process that you guys have seen or you guys have noticed that I had done and you learned something, please let me know in the comments below. I would super love to hear your feedback. If there was anything that you liked, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. If you'd like to keep up with more design processes during the week, you can check out my Instagram page and my Facebook page where I update personal projects and client style projects. And yeah, if you guys want to join the community, go ahead and join, just hit me up. Hey guys, so if you have just joined my channel, check out these videos next to see how I made